We have entered a new age of space exploration driven by private enterprise. But the costs are astronomical. How will we bring them down? The key is the Moon. It contains vast stores of ice, which can be turned into rocket fuel and breathable air. Shipping just 1 kilogram of cargo to the Moon costs up to $1.5 million. Turning the Moon into a fuel and air depot would be a game changer. But finding the ice is hard. It's hidden in depressions at the poles and in caverns beneath the surface. Our ability to explore those subterraneous realms was extremely limited. Not anymore. Meet SoftServe's Lunar Exploration Drone Accelerator. It can investigate the depths of craters and even maneuver through twisting caverns and caves by using propulsion engines, entering realms out of reach for previous robotic exploration vehicles. The drone uses cameras and an IMU to ingest images of its environment. It also generates a point cloud map using robotics perception and simultaneous localization and mapping algorithms. Combined with images during post-processing, the point cloud becomes a highly granular 3D map of the surrounding terrain, far surpassing the level of detail provided from lunar orbit. That brings the most remote regions of the Moon much closer to us, and brings us much closer to accessing their secrets. We are on the cusp of a new age. Venture into the next frontier with SoftServe's Lunar Exploration Drone Accelerator.